Okay, so I found out a way how to change the volume of the beeps. So you turn it to cottons. This might work on the Bosch Series 6. Hold the start button down. And then, whilst you're holding it down, turn it to the next program, which on the Bosch will be Eco. The first one is the N beep. So you press RPM, and for you it will be spin. Or you go up like this one to 0, that's nothing. Lowest volume, that's the normal volume it's set at. High and very high. I might leave it at that, to be fair. Yeah, right, okay, so that's just normal beeps for when you press the buttons. I'll leave that at 4 as well. On, off, on, off. I want it on. And then the other programs don't do anything. And then if you switch it back on, it should be reset. Yeah, okay.